See if we can get that first one out. I think I'm gonna need some help. And open this door. Okay, for this dress, the sash, we're doing a 3/16 of an inch narrow hem fold twice. So I'm gonna press the narrow hem and then we're gonna stitch it up on the machine. 3/16 of an inch narrow hem rolled over twice. Along the way, I have some markings on the cloth to guide me as I go. One side completed, and I'll be back when I finish the nail strip, and then we'll go to the machine. The crease lines or the narrow hem all ironed in. Next step, the sewing machine. I'm gonna take this to the ironing station and press it. So as you can see, I have started my hem around the dress. This is the lining you're looking at. This is gonna be 3 inches, and I probably will cut off some so it won't be so much when we sew it on the machine. And this is going up, this hem on the outer fabric is gonna be 2.5 inches. And like I said, the dress is too long for me. I'm a petite statue, and it's just too long. So it's falling where I need it to fall at 2.5 inches here. And of course, the line is always shorter than your outer garment. So that's what we're doing with this. So I'm looking at this, and what I told you that I did, the measurements I used, I'm gonna cut it in half of this, serge it, and just stitch it up, regular stitch on the sewing machine. And what I did to the outer layer is just, I ironed it up. So the print is there, the crease is what I'm trying to say is there. And I'm going to do the same thing here, cut in half, serge, and stitch on the sewing machine. So as I showed you, I had measure my hem. Now I've cut it in half like I said I was going to do. And now I'm going to serge the lining and the outer garment. I'm removing the clips from the lining. We're at the serger. In just a second, we will be serging the lining. Turning the garment around, adjusting. Done. And now we're working on the dress. Making sure the seams are lying flat. And it's a round tail dress. So, okay, we got the hem in. It's looking like that on the other fabric. And your lining is serged as well. So, got to tuck these edges in and refold my hem to the inside of the lining and stitch to the inside of the lining and stitch. And so on yesterday we got the little sewing machine, and yes, it's time to open the door to get an ornament to put on the tree. Let's do that. Okay, this is Vlogmas, our second day, so let's open another door. Thank you all for visiting and watching the videos. I appreciate you all. Please continue to come. Check the community post for the sewing game and other information that I may put on the board. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Look what we got. A spool of thread. So, we gotta hang it on that tree. Let's do that now. Put a knot at the end. And hang it. A spool of thread. Vlogmas 2025. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. We may continue on the dress with the hem at the sewing machine, or we may have something else. But either way, it's going to be fun and you will enjoy it. Remember to comment below. Thanks for watching.